Good morning. Good morning, all the hoteliers. Today is 9 January 2025. In the previous video, we have discussed about the registration process in Budgettripinn SaaS portal, along with the fill up of basic information in our system. Today, in this video, we will discuss about the basic overall feature of our SaaS platform, where we will discuss about the scenario where, as a budget trip admin, we create your asset, and as a hotelier, you can manage your assets. Initial hard work is all done by our admin team, and your part is only manage those assets from your portal. So I will assign a hotel in the user that we created yesterday, that is Joy, and manage that hotel or homestay from our backend. This is Joy's dashboard, and as you see, there is no hotel assigned to this user Joy. From this drop down option, you can see there is no hotel is present. So all the necessary data available with that hotel is not present right now. Now from the backend, we will assign this user Joy a particular hotel. As we refresh our dashboard, currently in the drop down section, we can see there is a hotel available. If I click on that hotel, right hand side is options are available. A particular calendar is present here. Currently there is no booking, so any data will not be present in this section. Currently in the left hand section, we can see a booking request. If we click on that request, we see there is a booking request present in that section. The color of this booking request is basically green. When we see or when we check out this booking request from this eye icon with the information available, we go back in the previous page, we will see the color is already changed. As we saw that initially when we did not view that information, the color is green, and from that portal we can send emails and messages to the corresponding user who created this query. From this box we can send email, but we'll came to this section later on. We click on the hotel section. In the hotel section, we saw there is a hotel assigned in our portal, in our profile rather. If we click on the view button, we see all the details that is available for that hotel. Your admin team already created that information for you. Here the hotel description is present. There are different sections like room information, like room has how many beds, maximum guest allowed, and is there any view or not, this kind of information. There is another option, it is called hotel media. Means if you upload any image to that hotel, that reflect in this section. This hotel SEO tag option, there is no information currently, but in future we will incorporate that option also. In the right hand section, hotel related other information like Google Map information, FAQs, property rules and policies, along with email, phone number, this kind of information are present in the hotel other informations. In the hotel amenity section, per room based amenity is present. If you have 2 rooms, then separate amenities will be presented in this section. This is a room section. If you in this particular property, there is 2 types of room, that information is presented in that section. This standard room category has 2 rooms, and this bamboo cottage room category has 2 rooms. So total number of rooms is presented here, and these are the buttons by which you can create those actions or you can create those facilities. This is the basic overview in the hotel section. Now below the hotel section, there is a hotel review section, rather hotel review menu. If there is any review, that review is available in this section. Below that, there is a menu called price. Your homestay or hotel have certain category of price for a particular unit of your room. So that information is presented here. If you click this pen icon, you can edit that information from this page. As you can see, this unit part is already disabled. You cannot change it, but you can change the price of that room, the details message that is presented here, and you can disable and enable that price also. Now we can click on the back button. Price listing is presented in the index page. Now there is a menu called discount. If somebody want to run a particular discount in his property, that can be set from this tab. A homestay or hotelier can run some kind of ads in the social media. From that social media ads, if some customer came, then this section will be useful. And there is a section called referral codes. Most importantly, these codes are being used in the social media ads. Nowadays, we can see in social media there is a infographics. In the infographics, they specify some kind of code. If somebody came with that code, the particular amount of discount is provided. If this kind of scenario is required in your case, you can assign a referral code. This referral code will be reflected in the reservation section. Currently, there is no referral codes are present or for this hotel, and there is another option is referral code usage. You can track the referral code usage from this section only. Now there is a menu called guest and bookings. When you click on the guest menu, you can see there is a list of guests is present here. As I don't have any guest right now, that table is basically blanked. I can add guest from this add guest button. There is a lot of fields are present in that. Basically his name or her name, her address, is identity card information, if the identity card is received or not, that information. Now payment received option is currently not enabled here. We will discuss it later on when we can demonstrate the user guest adding process. Here's the mobile number, his WhatsApp number, email, from which location he came, to which location he want to go, and his check-in date with time, number of person coming for that trip, and the relationship kind of information is present here. Now there is a tab called My Payments. If a user pays you via any UPI method or any online transaction, you can add that payment in this section, for which if you have to select the particular guest, the hotel, the room information, and the amount he or she paid to you. The mode of payment is also been selected from here, and along with a reference number. If the person give you money via cash, you can put 0 here. That information is provided in this section. Now this is a field called reservation. When we click in this field, reservation table is present here. As there is no reservation, there is no information present in this table. If we want to implement reservation, we need to click in this add reservation button. When you click in this add reservation button, you have to fill certain number of fields. Like previously you created a guest, that information you have to put. If you type his name, that guest will appear in this section. We'll discuss it later on. The referral codes you ran on the social media or any kind of promotional page, that is reflected here along with a discount that you promise to give to the user. That discount is presented in this section. From date and to date will be automatically pop out when you select a particular guest. Then you need to select hotel information, room information, and price you want to sell that room. And there is a discount information. As we discussed in the discount section, if you select a particular discount information, then the discount is presented here. You can select a custom discount also. As we created a dummy discount in this section, we will discuss it later. These are the basic functions of backend portal for the hoteliers. That's all for today. We will discuss each and every function in the upcoming video. So stay tuned and be with us in Budgettripinn. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.